Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make card kits. First, gather your essential supplies such as quality cardstock, various embellishments, and reliable adhesives. Next, select a cohesive theme or a specific color palette to give your kit a unified look. Finally, plan out your card designs carefully, ensuring every component needed for assembly is included in the kit. This preparation is key for a successful and enjoyable crafting experience. Now, let's prepare the individual components for your card kits. Begin by cutting your cardstock to standard sizes, such as 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches for a 2 cards. Then, sort all your chosen embellishments, like stickers or die cuts, into separate piles for each card design. Finally, package each card's specific components individually, perhaps in small clear bags, to keep everything organized and ready for assembly. Once your components are ready, focus on packaging and presentation. It's crucial to include clear, step-by-step instructions or a high-quality photo of the finished card to guide the recipient. Next, choose attractive packaging, like a clear cello bag or a small decorative box, to showcase your kit. Lastly, label each kit clearly with its theme and a list of contents, making it easy for crafters to identify and enjoy. Finally, it's time to share your wonderful card kits with the world. Showcase your finished creations on various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. If you're looking to monetize your hobby, consider selling your kits online through popular craft marketplaces. And hey, while you're checking out great deals, don't forget to look in the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other fantastic offers. Happy crafting and selling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.